Stop scrolling. This one word can upgrade your English. Today's vocabulary word is versatile, meaning able to adapt to different roles or tasks. Synonyms: flexible, adaptable. Examples: 1. She is a versatile employee. 2. This role requires a versatile skill set. 3. She is a versatile professional who can handle multiple roles. Follow this channel for more advanced English. Subscribe for daily vocabulary and interview tips. Follow Lexicon Lab for professional English.